Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Pottery Barn credit card. Now without further ado, let's start right into the video. To log into Pottery Barn credit card, firstly you need to open your preferred browser. As I have preferred to open Google Chrome. On the search bar, click over there and search Pottery Barn credit card login. And here you can see community.net Pottery Barn. Click over there. And from the direct website, we are on the Pottery Barn credit card homepage. To sign in to Pottery Barn credit card, you will be required to click on sign in. To sign in to Pottery Barn credit card, you will be required to enter your username and password. Then after that, click on sign in. If you forgot your username or password, then click on forget username and password. Then reset your username and password, and this is how we sign in to Pottery Barn credit card. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.